with a bunch of nobodies. That's why I heard the story over and over again. She just wanna finally meet her other friends. That's when I heard the story exactly like how it is. She is wanna finally meet her other friends. What did she say about me? What did she say? What did you know about me? What did you do? Did you play games about me? What did you play? Did you think on the time that I wouldn't find out about you? Oh, that's right. I heard this story over and over again. Jeez, what a finally beat her other friends. Oh. Who am I? Who am I? What are you even saying? I'm the loser of the game you didn't know you were playing. Let's play another game. This time I get to win. Legend of Line. Winner takes all. Ready or not, let's just begin. And that's when I heard the story over and over again. Jeez, what a funny beer. Other friends. That's when I heard the story. Don't really like how it is. Jeez, what a funny beer. Other. Boom, kablosh, kaplowy.